goes in like this, and it's labeled on the side, and you put your 90 in there. So I'll do it one more time. Slide it in like so. Down. Get it in between my fingers. All right, here's your punch. Now, this is a flaring block, but we use it to hold when we're swedging out. I know the internet, they freaking hate it, but I really love this tool for swedging because I can swedge 1,000 pieces of copper and then 1,000 more. Nothing ever goes wrong with this. This is why I like this. They make the drilling tools that go in pipe expanders. If you put it in, you pump it. It's all fine and dandy. This is in here. Just kind of hold it.
Yeah.
And we just start driving it down. You see it start to mushroom out. Keep going. If you slip, you get a knuckle buster. All right, it is what it is. And then once we get to the base of this, about right there, you stop because you're at a dead end anyway. You can sit there and hammer the piss out of it all day long. It's not going to go any further down.
That's the joint with the lacing up. That's the joint with the lacing up. You know a little longer piece of solder?
I'm good. Yeah, I use